I like simple things. So this is the ABC of how we can use Nemo with Parakeet in a standard Python application, in a console application. So I am going to load the model, and you see here that I am going to load kind of a small, quoting small. A small is probably depend on your GPU, your capabilities and more, but this is kind of a small model, good to start. Step number 2, we are going to convert the file to a specific format. That's the format that the model requires. Step number 3, let's go into load the model. We have the model, we have the file, start the transcriptions, and that's it. We don't need to do anything else. It works very, very good, and it goes super fast. If you keep the model in memory, you're going to see that only you have very small spikes that the GPU working. It's super, super efficient. These are different ways of canary, and then you also have Parakeet here, and then you can define which language do you want to use, which file do you want to do. I can start to work, and I can start to do my transcript. And remember, is pick up the file, pick up the audio, convert it to WAV, then load the model, and then generate the transcript. That's kind of the idea, and it's literally what we're going to see in the next scenario.
Want to dive deeper? Check out the full episode at the link in the description.